Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. Hey, I was starting to put this fire pit together that I was cutting in the last video. And of course, I cut something wrong. So it's not even gonna fit together right. So I have to do something different now. I still gotta build the same fire pit, but I gotta get more 3/16 plate. So for now, I'm gonna figure out what I can do with this. And I'm just gonna go get more plate whenever I get back to the steel yard and recut it. I don't know, I did a new template and I sure had it wrong. I should have checked it more times than I did. But anyway, it happens sometimes. So we'll get going on something else right now. All right, so I decided to do a little fire pit out of some of the sides off of here. There's 8 sides and it only takes 4 to do one of these fire pits. So I'm just gonna kind of think it out as I go. I kind of have an idea in my head, but I'm trying to do with it. If I could have salvaged those sides and still used them, then I would have done that, but they're actually about 3 inches short. I cut out a little template so I can make some legs for the base of it. I usually have a lot of these small pieces of 16 gauge laying around, so you can cut it pretty quickly and make a template out of it for stuff usually. Just getting a bottom tacked in it right here. Luckily I had enough plate sitting there to cut these little pieces. I barely had enough left sitting there to do that and the bottom. Then this is the base, just moving it around in a square, trying to keep it kind of straight. It won't be a very big fire pit. At the top of it is 19 inches, a little over 19 inches, which is pretty good size. Everything went together pretty good right there. This is going to be the rack, maybe. I'm wanting to do a circular rack on it. Actually, it's a little bit short, but I had this piece of plate laying right there, piece of 1/4 inch, and it was only short maybe a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, so I can make that up with a piece of angle, because it'll sit on top of the fire pit if it comes out good. It would have been a lot easier to just do another expanded metal rack on there, but I just wanted it to have a different look to it. This took quite a while to do, to draw it all out and then to cut it all out piece by piece. It took quite a while. And these little pieces right here, that's what'll sit on the sides of the fire pit. I'll put a little piece of angle on the ends of them so it'll sit over the edge. I went ahead and got some brackets cut out for the handles. You can see too on the edge there, I put a little lip right there where the rack will sit just to raise it up a little bit. That's gonna just about do it on this one. I didn't get much more than these handles put on. But it came out looking pretty good. I'm gonna start getting it painted up and everything, get ready to do a cook on it for the next video probably. So anyway, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.